Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore how to approach our meditation practice when emotions arise. Take a moment to get comfortable. As you sit with a straight back, let your shoulders soften away from your ears. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. And if you haven't yet, slowly close your eyes. Now, notice how you feel at the beginning of your practice. Tap into the state of your body, noticing any physical sensations, and letting go of judgments. Notice your state of mind. Observe the types of thoughts and emotions that are present without labeling them, and giving yourself permission to start right where you are. Now, turn your attention to your breath. Take a few deep, expansive inhalations. A few slow, steady exhalations. And now, allow your breath to return to a natural rhythm. Let your inhales and exhales move spontaneously in and out of your body. And as you stay present with the ebb and flow of your breath, let your awareness be soft and wide. Without seeking anything out, make room for your whole experience. Notice your body breathing. Watch physical sensations come and go. Let thoughts arise and fade away without getting caught up in them. And if any emotions arise, do your best to acknowledge them without getting involved. It can be helpful to name them. Silently say to yourself, sadness, or worry, or boredom, and then return to your breath, letting the emotion pass without trying to change it or analyze it. And don't worry if you can't name the emotion. Just make room for your experience and silently say to yourself, emotion, and return once more to your breath. Rather than trying to change how you feel, allow whatever arises to be there. trust that just like physical sensations, emotions will shift and transform into something else. Your work is to greet whatever comes up with acceptance and compassion, returning time and time again to your breath flowing in and out of your body. Our emotions do not define us. They simply reflect how we feel for a few moments. So imagine that you are watching the rise and fall of your emotions from a distance, just observing them, almost from the outside. And continue to use your breath as an anchor. Noticing your body inhaling, noticing your body exhaling. Now, let your attention soften. Whether we've just started on our meditation journey or we've been practicing for years, emotions will inevitably arise. This can feel challenging, especially when we're trying to stay centered. In fact, facing difficult emotions in meditation is one of the most common reasons people stop practicing, often feeling they're just not good at it. And that's simply not true. You see, as we sit in stillness and quiet external distractions, it is normal for emotions to arise. These can reflect pleasant or unpleasant current feelings, or might stem from past experiences, even when we think we've worked through them and moved on. So rather than quitting our meditation practice, what can we do when emotions arise? The answer is quite simple but challenging. We keep meditating. We learn to be present with them, just as we are present with our breath. Rather than judging them as good or bad, right or wrong, we make room for our emotions and embrace our experience with compassion and curiosity. Instead of stuffing emotions down or ignoring them, we welcome them. Meditation is part of self-reflection. It helps us better understand ourselves on all levels, learning that our thoughts and experiences do not define us. Accepting our emotions with awareness also helps us understand life with more clarity and less judgment, and enables us to make better choices. So make room for your emotions, whatever they may be. Use your breath like a touchstone that keeps bringing you back into the present moment. And remember, this is a practice. So if an emotion becomes overwhelming, it's okay to take a break. Open your eyes, let the tears out if they come. Take a moment to journal or shake it off. Once the intensity has softened, come back to your practice once more. Now, take a deep breath. Notice the sounds around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon.